Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use oxygen sensor socket. Start by parking on level ground and securing the vehicle with wheel chocks and jack stands if needed. Gather the correct oxygen sensor socket, a ratchet, and penetrating oil. Spray seized sensors and let the oil soak while you prepare tools. Work methodically and keep bolts and hardware organized to avoid mistakes and save time. Begin by coating the sensor threads with penetrating oil and allowing time to penetrate. Fit the oxygen sensor socket onto the sensor hex and attach a breaker bar or ratchet for leverage. Use steady, even pressure to break the sensor free without jerking. If stubborn, apply more penetrating oil and tap the socket gently with a hammer on the ratchet handle. Remove the sensor carefully to avoid damaging wiring or nearby components. If this video is helping you, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle on every job to stay hydrated and focused. It keeps water cold and fits in cup holders. Check the description for the link and other deals, and pick one up if you want a reliable bottle on the go. Now let's get back to the video. Clean the sensor port threads with a suitable brush and ensure no debris remains. Hand thread the new oxygen sensor to avoid cross-threading, then snug it with the oxygen sensor socket before applying final torque. Reconnect the electrical plug securely and route the wiring away from hot or moving parts. Reconnect the battery and start the engine to check for proper operation and the absence of check engine lights, then lower the vehicle when everything looks good.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.